How to change your YouTube channel name using the mobile app. Do you want to change your YouTube channel name? You can easily change your YouTube channel name using the YouTube app on your mobile phone. This video teaches you how to change your YouTube channel name. Things you should know. If you have a verification badge, changing your YouTube channel name will make it go away. It may take up to 3 days for the name change to take effect across all of YouTube. You can change your YouTube channel name no more than 3 times every 90 days. Step 1. Open YouTube app. Tap the YouTube app icon, which resembles a white triangle on a red background on your home screen or apps menu. If you aren't signed into YouTube, select your account and/or enter your email address and password to sign in before proceeding. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and download the YouTube app. It's free. You can download it from the Google Play Store on Android devices or the App Store on iPhone and iPad. Step 2. Tap your profile icon. It's a circle in the top right corner of the screen. A pop-up menu will appear. If you need to change to a different account, tap your account name at the top and then select the correct channel. If you are not signed into the correct account, tap Add Account and add the correct account associated with your YouTube channel. It may take a few seconds for your other channels to appear in the drop-down menu here. Step 3. Tap My Channel. This option is at the top of the menu. Step 4. Tap the Edit Android 7 Edit icon to the right of your current name. To change the name of your account, tap the icon that resembles a pencil next to your account name at the top of the page. Step 5. Type a new name for your channel below name. Use the on-screen keyboard to type your new channel name on the line below name. Step 6. Tap OK or, if you are using an Android device, tap OK in the lower right corner of the dialog box. If you are using an iPhone or iPad, tap the icon that resembles a check mark in the upper right corner. This saves your channel name. If your YouTube channel is associated with a school or work Google account, you might not be able to change your channel name. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share.